Hi everyone, I'm Kseny and welcome to 3-minute standing meditation. If you're new here, I would recommend you watch my other video, Introduction to Qigong Standing Meditation. There will be a link for you up here, and also a 1-minute video so you can slowly build up your practice. Otherwise, if you feel good, if you feel ready, let's begin. Stand up nice and tall, and let's take a couple of nice deep breaths to settle in and relax the body. Inhale in through the nose. Exhale out through the mouth. Inhale in. Easy long exhale out. Inhale in. Exhale, soften the body and relax. One more time. Inhale up and exhale. Very good. Then find a comfortable position. Slowly raise your arms up. Relax your whole body. Feel connected to the ground. Lengthen up through the spine. Relax the shoulders down. And we begin. Good. Open your eyes. And to come out of this pose, just slowly bring the hands to the chest, down in the center, and relax by the side. Take a few seconds to notice how your body feels. Relax your neck and shoulders, your arms, your back, down your lower back and your hips. Notice your thighs and your knees and the soles of your feet. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.